everyone, I'm Kashmira Kasikar from Realty Frap. I welcome you all to my show Crafting Couch with Realty Frap. So today I'm super honored to invite our eighth guest who is famous for her scrapbook. Yes, she is Khushbu from the Crafting Mess. So let's have a conversation with her and know her more better.
Hello, Khushbu. Welcome to Crafting Couch with Relatives Wrap. I'm super honored to you're
Hello.
there on our show. So, can you just give a short introduction about yourself to our fellow crafters to know you more better?
Okay. So I'm Khushbu Sehta from Varanasi, and I'm crafting from last 3 years. It's more than
Okay.
that. I will complete 4 years in September.
Wow.
I'm just taking it like I want to make something big, so I am just doing and doing,
Yes.
and that's it. I I also want to get like something कि कुछ है, something brand
Ha.
kind of.
Yes.
So
Right.
yeah, I'm working on it.
Wow. Wonderful. So it was a great introduction. We'll start with our Q&A session now.
Yes, you are proper.
So recently I
Okay.
started creating mandala. So how was your experience? How is it?
I did give it a try. Actually, I might never tried. It was all because of the lockdown challenges happening in the craft industry, like 10
Yeah.
days challenges, 20 days challenges.
Yes.
So I participated in that. So I created this because it was a task. So it
Okay.
was very good and fun.
Wow. Is it easy to make or it looks difficult and it looks complicated thoda?
Yep. It's look complicated. It feels complicated, but when you start making it you will be like, चलो हो जाएगा, बहुत easy है. So that
Okay.
was it.
Okay. Wow. Wonderful. So now as the COVID situation is going on everywhere, it's locked down and our products are not getting delivered and we are not getting orders. So how are you dealing with this challenge or how are you dealing with the lockdown?
Basically, I'm not dealing with it because actually I didn't work during all this lockdown situation because of some health issue. I wasn't crafting like since like for 3 months. I wasn't crafting, maybe more
Okay.
than that. I don't remember actually. When did I last created something for order? I
Okay.
don't remember. So, but still, I'm back on crafting and will do it again क्योंकि लॉकडाउन तो इस साल खत्म होने वाला है नहीं, तो
Yeah, so
हो
true.
जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत
Uh,
नहीं होगी.
acha.
So I'm
Okay.
taking dates like I'm taking orders on dates like 15 दिन या 20 days something चल रहा है, तो it will
Barabar.
delivered on time.
Yes,
So
barabar. Yes.
yes, it was difficult for other crafters. I can see on Instagram like crafters are having trouble about dispatching and lockdown situation. That's why
Right.
they're doing challenges and all.
Okay.
So it's
Yeah.
okay. It will pass.
Yeah, this is going to pass. I can say it. Okay.
It
मैंने
will
आपका
pass. Have
yes,
faith.
yes, have faith. मैंने आपका फीड देखा बहुत कलरफुल है एंड उसमें बहुत सारे आपने डिफरेंट
Thank you.
डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए लाइक स्क्रैप बुक बनाया एक्सक्लूजन बॉक्स बनाया है बहुत सारे क्रिएटिव प्रोडक्ट्स भी बनाए आपने तो कहाँ से इंस्पिरेशन मिलते हैं लाइक कहाँ से
Like it's all start from Instagram, it's all start from YouTube, and it's
यस
all because of our lovely customers and other crafters community from our
राइट
community. So they all are inspiring. सब कुछ इंस्पायर करता है. Like उनका एक लिखा हुआ वर्ड भी हमें इंस्पायर कर देता है कभी कभी.
बराबर
तो it is all because of YouTube and Instagram.
ओके वाह
And I
वाह
wish I could also inspire people from my
Yes, yes,
creativity.
definitely. Yes. Yes. Okay. So I've seen your clients' feedback. They are saying that your work is amazing, your work is superb. So how is it? Like, how is the feeling of telling, like, client giving the
it
feedback?
is it is like seventh heaven when client is like बहुत अच्छा बनाया है, excellent work and all, time delivery. So it's like it feels like seven heaven, but I will not lie, it's not always good with every crafter. Like सबको ये प्रॉब्लम होती है कि हमारे कस्टमर्स कभी कभी लड़ते हैं, झगड़ते हैं, बार्गेनिंग करते हैं, इवन कभी कभी रिपोर्ट भी कर देते हैं. सो
बराबर.
we don't get always good reviews for our products. Sometimes it got damaged and customer yes started yelling at us.
Yes,
So it's
yes.
not good. No one
पैकेजिंग
shares,
में
but
बहुत ज्यादा वो हो जाता है, दिक्कत हो जाती है.
yeah, literally, I have dispatched a box a few days back. I need to like प्रॉपर करना था क्योंकि होता तो वो कार्ड स्टॉक का ही है, तो हम लोग को प्रॉपर करना था लाइक 3 लेयर्स ऑफ थर्माकोल दैट, फिर कार्ड स्टॉक रैपिंग, फिर बबल रैप, पता नहीं कितना कुछ. सो इट्स
बराबर.
नॉट सो इजी.
एग्जैक्टली,
और
इट्स नॉट एट
इतना
ऑल
करने
इजी.
के बाद भी कस्टमर्स सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होते हैं. सो इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज गुड. I think every crafter is facing these issues.
Yes, actually, they don't understand the hard work we are doing, or the days we have worked for this product to make it special for them.
The back pain, especially.
Yes, yes, I can relate.
Back pain
Yes.
is like.
Super.
So after all this, bad reviews are also a lesson to work to make our work better than before.
Yes,
So it's
actually.
okay. Bad reviews should work.
Okay, wow, wonderful. So you have been working on YouTube channel also, like आप बहुत सारे tutorials वगैरह YouTube channel पे डाल रहे हो, तो कैसे manage कर लेते हो आप, like Instagram भी YouTube भी, तो it's very difficult or it's like easy or it goes
It's
hand
not
in hand?
easy. When I do nothing, it is difficult for me. You must have seen my videos. I just randomly take shots. I don't
Okay.
retake. I don't do anything. It's just mistakes. Whatever I do in videos, you must have noticed my mistakes too. So
Yes.
it's okay. It will work. I will work on that too. I'm searching things for that. So
Okay.
चल जाएगा, हो जाएगा, ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा बट हो जाएगा. तो इट्स ओके.
Okay.
इफ यू कांट मैनेज इट, जस्ट डू इट. हो जाएगा.
Okay, you have mentioned in your bio that your target is to make people happy. So what do you want to say about it? Like, कैसे happy करना है
I
लोगों को?
guess it's not only me. Every
Yes.
crafter want to like सबको happy करने का तरीका.
Yes.
So बस every crafter is working harder and harder day and nights. We used to work like 6 a.m., 7 a.m. till 6 a.m., 7 a.m.
Yes, yes.
So it's lot of hard work. And इसके बाद भी customer हमेशा नहीं satisfied होते. So it's okay. But our actual every crafter's target is to make our customers, clients happy.
Happy, yes.
So it's cool.
Yeah. Okay. So God wouldn't have made me this creative if He wanted me to cook and clean. So what do you want to say about this? Like, you have
So
posted.
it was about marriages and all. Like I don't want to marry so soon. Like I am young and super ambitious. I do a lot.
Exactly.
I want to do a lot of things. So it's about marriage. I don't have any issue with cooking or cleaning. I do all. I cook, I craft, I clean, everything. And so it's like कि सबको करना ही है एक दिन, करना ही है. और ये आना भी जरूरी है. Like if we stay single or something like that, so you should know cooking and cleaning and crafting
Yes,
too.
yes.
Crafting
Yes.
is obvious.
We are like multitaskers.
God have
Oh.
made us like that.
Actually, I can relate it. So,
Yeah.
like we are coming to the end of the session. So, end of the Q&A session. What do you want to tell all the fellow crafters? Like, what you have learned from this whole journey of yours?
Like practice makes men and women perfect. Like
Human
so
perfect, can you
just
say?
yes.
Why is
Human perfect. So
yes,
I love making things, so I'm doing it. But still, if you think about it, just do it. Just keep crafting or whatever you are doing is just do it. Just never give up. Never give
right,
up.
right.
You will
Never,
get
never.
some situations like you will get tired. You will maybe कोई situation ऐसी आ जाए तुम्हें depression सा feel हो
या
किसी को
ऑर्डर
भी,
नहीं मिल
तो
रहे या
फिर
फिर कुछ
just
भी.
हाँ वो सब व्यूज नहीं आ रहे तो हम लोग डिसहार्टन हो जाते हैं कि यार इतनी
बराबर.
मेहनत करने के बाद कुछ नहीं हुआ. So
Yes.
that was like कि ठीक है करो, करो, वो कभी ना कभी रंग लाएगा.
Exactly.
Even I started YouTube channel a long back, but I wasn't getting views or something, so I like stopped uploading videos. You must have seen my YouTube videos. There are 2 years, 2 3 years back,
Yes,
I have
yes,
uploaded videos.
yes.
So nahi I views, it's okay. Now I am here again with a new hope to create everything in a like Zoom. मतलब बस करना है.
करना है.
So it's
Yes.
okay.
Yeah,
हाँ.
yeah.
So never give up. Just keep
Yes.
crafting, keep practicing. That will make you perfect.
Yeah,
So
that is so true.
that's it. That's my
Yeah.
thought.
Thank you so much for this wonderful Q&A session. Okay. So,
Okay.
can you show us some product that which you have now or you have created recently, something like that?
Yes, I have two products in my hand.
Okay.
So I haven't launched this yet. So this is a shaker bag.
Okay.
It's
Wow.
not a normal. It's a shaker inside it.
Sequence.
You can
Yeah,
see
there's a sequence
Yeah.
inside.
So
Wow, this is
I have
beautiful.
made many, but I have this two in my hand.
Okay. Wow. This is also cute. Oh, wow.
And this can hold album. It is the cutest way I find.
Yes,
So I was so
actually.
obsessed with it. I have made a 10 or something amount of the bags.
Yeah, I can do that.
And I was so happy after about making it. I showed everyone. I video called everyone and showed it. देखो मैंने बनाया है.
वो होता है ना एक एक्साइटमेंट कि कुछ कभी बनाते हैं हम लोग तो और बहुत अच्छा बन जाए तो फिर सबको बताएंगे इसको भी बताना उसे बताना. So it happens with me also. I call my friends and show कि आज मैंने ये complete कर दिया.
Or second product, I have this album. I
Wow,
made this album
beautiful.
a year ago for my
Okay.
mummy. So that's why it is in my hand.
Okay.
So I can show you
Yeah,
detailed
yeah.
look. You must have seen it on my Instagram.
Yes, I've seen it. I thought the
It's a
silk was
recent post.
okay. Superb.
So I was excited about these pop-ups. Can you hold? Can you stop?
Yes. Yeah. You were saying about the pop-up.
So I have some pop-ups like this.
Wow. Superb.
It's like I am big Shaker fan. So I am just big Shaker fan. So I am like हर पेज में मैं Shaker include कर दूँ. हर पेज में like front cover, back cover, हर पेज में. But still I try not to do like
Okay.
to get this. बस हर पेज में I want Shakers.
These are cute. These are cute. The glass and shaker elements are cute. Wow.
So this pop up and 2 or 3 something.
Okay.
कहाँ चला गया? This pop up.
Okay. Yes, this is also cute.
This is the extra in page.
Wow. Wow, this is
So
beautifully you have created
like,
album.
I was creating scrapbooks for customers and something. My mom was yelling on me, मेरे लिए भी बना दो, मेरे लिए भी बना दो. After a year, like on Mother's Day, फिर Mother's Day को मैंने बनाना शुरू किया और फिर उसके बाद मैंने दिया birthday पे अगस्त में. So this was it.
Okay. Oh, nice.
तो मम्मी तो believe ही नहीं कर रही थी. It was super surprise for her.
It is wonderful, yeah. Come on, it's very beautiful. कोई भी हैप्पी हो जाएगा. मेरी मम्मा भी तो बहुत खुश हो जाएगी अगर मैं उनको ऐसा कुछ गिफ्ट कर दूं तो. वो होता है ना.
This was different from my creation. I tried to make it different. Like जैसा मैं बनाती हूँ वैसा नहीं बनाना है.
Yes, right. कुछ तो अलग होना चाहिए, हटके होना चाहिए. Right.
कि लगे कि भाई नॉर्मल नहीं है.
हाँ, बराबर. तो हम लोग अभी रैपिड फायर like a fun task है ये. I was planning a rapid fire.
Okay.
Or what do you want to choose, a rapid fire or a challenge?
Rapid fire would work.
Okay, fine. So we'll go with the rapid fire thing. So
Okay.
I'll be asking you some questions and you have to answer it as quick as possible.
Okay.
Okay. So recently you have started mandala. So what do you think, mandala or crafting?
Crafting always.
Oh, perfect. Obviously. Okay. So promoting work on Facebook or promoting work on Instagram, what do you feel is preferable?
Instagram is much
Okay.
audience are having on.
Okay. So one of your
Sorry.
favorite crafter.
One of my favorite crafter. Like I mostly follow that crafters are live out of the India. So
Okay.
I follow them. But in India, I guess like handmade picks, Adhi's creation is a new obsession on crafting world,
Yes.
and crafting with a smile and meher crafting करके कुछ नाम है. I'm sorry,
Hair
I don't
creation. Yes.
remember exactly, but I follow
Okay.
these pages, and India में they are like obsession in the crafting world. So yes, Lavanya handmaids and
Yes.
many
Yes.
more. Like there
Oh,
is endless list.
I can relate. Yeah. Same here. Like ऐसा कोई पर्टिकुलर नहीं हो सकता. बहुत सारे हैं.
हाँ
सबके ही
मतलब
क्रिएशंस
कुछ
बहुत
ना
अच्छे
कुछ.
हैं.
I in a single day I mostly follow 5 to 10 crafters. Like I admire them. या पूरी प्रोफाइल मैंने देख लेनी है आज ही.
Wow, super. So, what is your favorite craft to make? Like जो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगता है, like explosion box, scrap books, कुछ ऐसा.
अभी रिसेंटली मेरा ऑब्सेशन है embellishments, but the second
Wow.
number is scrapbooks.
Okay.
Embellishments first, scrapbook second.
Okay. So you have to arrange the like your I've shortlisted your products and you have to arrange in your favorites like सबसे favorite कौन सा है and like सबसे prioritize कौन सा है and सबसे least prioritize या सबसे least favorite कौन सा है. Okay. So scrapbooks,
Okay.
explosion box, mandala, embellishments. So read accordingly.
Okay, embellishments,
Oh wow.
scrapbook, explosion box, mandala.
Okay.
Mandala
Wow.
is the last because I am a sketch artist, but I'm not so into it. Like
Okay.
कभी कभी मन कर गया तो बना दिया.
Acha,
Yeah.
okay, no problem. Okay. So, which is your favorite crafting tool other than scissor, glue, and papers?
Die cutting machine.
Wow, something new. Like I have never
Die cutting
heard
machine.
people saying die cutting machine is my favorite, but wow, nice.
Like I am using my die cutting machine. Like 2 दिन से I'm using it. Like I was using it, but अभी 2 दिन से for embellishments and making stuff I'm using it. Like मैं 3 बजे शुरू करती हूँ और 3 से 9 बजे तक बस चरखा चल रहा है.
Oh my god, I can relate. I've not yet bought a die cutting machine, but I'm definitely planning on. So yeah, after that maybe I also do that the same.
Yes, die cutting
Okay.
is a love. Actually, not die cutting machine, but the dies, the designs and all. It's like
Yes.
love कि मजा आ रहा है करने में भी कर लेंगे. Outcome बहुत अच्छा
वो
है.
बहुत
हाँ.
क्यूट क्यूट डाइज हो जाते हैं उसके सो एकदम मस्त लगता है.
So I am making a lot of things, a lot of things.
So we'll go to the last question. You have to rate the crafters,
Okay.
okay? According to their work, like how beautiful their work is. Okay,
So
so
rate the crafters.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
So Crafty V16, Hand Flyer, Kajal Creation, Paper Inch, Pink Craft Gallery.
Don't remember hand flies like एकदम proper नहीं याद है कि उसका creation क्या है. So it's like craft V, then pink craft gallery, and then hand flies, and rest I don't know them.
So we are done with the rapid fire. It was very fun, talking to you.
Yes, it's actually fun. Crafting rapid fire, we can't found it on internet. It's like अलग ही fun है.
Very fun, exactly. बहुत मुश्किल से ऐसे questions मिल जाते हैं. So,
हाँ.
oh. Okay, so we are coming at the end of the session. Like, thank you so much for coming on my show and making this more special. And from our side, we have sent you a hamper, like as a token of love.
Yeah.
So, can you just
Yeah.
show your hamper to all of them?
This is the hamper, guys.
Wow, did you like it?
I love the box. I like black boxes and black bags and black. So first of all, there was a tag of my name. First time I have ever tagged something, something like tag in my name.
Wow.
And this letter,
Okay. Wow.
clear,
Yes, yes.
and 2 logo names.
These are fridge magnets. Yeah.
Yep,
Yeah, yeah.
I like this one.
Thank you.
And these chocolates, I have eaten all. But 1, 2, 3 are left.
Oh my God. Did you
And
like
they
the
were
chocolate?
yummy.
These are
They were
handmade
yummy.
by me. So,
Yep, I know. I've tasted them. I was like, this is handmade. Handmade का taste समझ में आ जाता है, like dark chocolate.
barabar. Yes.
And this is the cute little gift. Actually, cutest. So
Thank you. This is a mini album of me. I tried to create it like,
this opens like this.
uh,
And I'm going to put some photos of mine because
Yes.
I have never had something like this. It's super cute.
sure. Share the
Then
after
after,
अपने फोटोज
Yeah,
डालने के बाद
sorry.
शेयर करना पक्का.
हाँ, अभी आप वीडियो खत्म करोगे तो मैं जा रही हूँ अपलोड करने और एकदम मजा करके because it is super special for me
Thank you. Thank you.
and I'm going to reuse this box because it's super sturdy and black.
Yes. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, so I'm back with the other riddle result, sorry. So today's winner is the Craft Corner. And if she's watching this video, please DM me for your gift. And thank you so much for participating. Thank you all for supporting and participating. Thank you so much. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and there's a bell button, notification bell button besides the subscribe button. Don't forget to press it. You'll get notified every time we post a new video. Thank you so much.